Hey everyone, good morning. Thank you for joining in. Hey IJ, thank you for joining in. Good to see you here. All right. Well, everyone, if anyone has any questions, please, you are more than welcome to unmute yourself, or you can please drop your question in the chat and I'll be more than happy to answer that for you. So we can actually begin from one of like the common questions that we get asked. Um, during these hours or during our live chat that how we can actually make uh, a calendar automation where if someone books an appointment, then we get notified as well. And at the same time, the customer gets notification as well that their appointment is booked and they receive reminders as well. So that is something we can look into today. So I'm going to share my screen, and if someone comes across any questions during that time, so you're more than welcome to stop me and ask me a question right away. Let me just pull up my screen here. Okay, let me just begin. All right, awesome. So we are going to, once we are in our system, we just simply come to automations. And in automations, because this is like a demo account, so a couple of automations are already created. But let's go ahead and look at calendar automation, and we can just go over the steps that were created in order to create this um, specific workflow, which is called the appointment schedule. So let's go ahead and click on that. All right, so here we are. It might look a bit overwhelming in the start, but once we get the understanding of it, it's very simple to understand. So I'll try my best to let you know the process. So the first thing we need in order to create any workflow is a trigger, right? And this is kind of like the point where it triggers in certain automation. Like if something certain happens, then at that point in time, the automation should kick in. So the something happens is basically the customer books an appointment using our calendar link, whichever calendar link we have in the system. So we are just going to come here and let me just start going to one. We're just going to come here. I'm going to select customer booked appointment. And we just add a filter because we have to select the calendar. And over here, we just go ahead and select any calendar and hit save. So this means if a customer books an appointment using this calendar, this whole automation will be triggered. So this is the trigger point. When the customer books the appointment, this is the trigger point, right? And we hit save. Now, when it's triggered, now we have to give some actions to the system that what it should do when this trigger happens, right? So what we are going to do, the first thing is we are going to send them an email, which is basically the appointment confirmation email. And it includes everything here, their name. Thank you so much for booking an appointment. These are your details. This is the time. This is the meeting location, right? And then we want to wait 1 day and 24 hours later. So in order to add a wait, you just simply click here. So click on wait. And that's how you can either do 1 minute, 1 hour, or even 1 day. So I'll just cancel this out. So now it's estimated 1 day. And now it's sending the reminder email. Hey, John, I want to remind you that you have a call in 1 day, time, and the meeting location. And now it's going to wait So now the next action is waiting 1 hour before the appointment. It's going to send another reminder email, and then it's going to send another reminder email and an SMS this time, 5 minutes before the appointment, right? So it's obviously content you can change, but this is generally how it looks. Same goes for SMS. So you're just giving them a reminder. And yeah, this is it. This is how the appointment reminder workflow works. And just make sure you publish it and it's saved in order for it to work. Now, how you can build this? Now we have pre-built workflows as well inside the system. So instead of creating it yourself, you can use our recipes. So you're going to click on workflow, and then you click on select a recipe. And then let's see, we're going to find this specific one which says appointment reminder. Yeah. So, okay, this is the one we want to go for. So recipe, appointment confirmation plus reminder. And if I go ahead and select it, it's going to add it inside the system. All right, so you can see appointment status. So we can actually change this trigger. Instead of appointment status, we can actually do, let's say, calendar. Oh, I think we have to do it on the one. Yeah, so we can do actually customer booked appointment, and we do the same thing. We add the in calendar filter and select our calendar, right? But what happens in the recipe that obviously gives you the trigger and all the actions, plus the emails are also built in. So as you can see, the email is already built in. You don't have to do much, and it automatically detects the contact's name, whoever booked the appointment. Let them know the confirmation date and the time, and also the meeting ID. Plus, it gives them the option to add this appointment to their calendar as well, whether it's Google, Outlook, and also gives them the option to cancel and reschedule as well. Rest of the things are the same. It's 24 hours before the appointment, then it sends another reminder email. As you can see, 1 hour before the appointment and 5 minutes before the appointment. And one thing I will recommend to change in these emails is actually your Zoom link, right? So whatever your Zoom link is, because this is just default, so just make sure you add your correct Zoom link here. Or, if you have already added Zoom in your account, you can actually select the custom values. You click on this button, it's the custom values. Okay, so I think Zoom is not added in. But yeah, you can either add Zoom through custom values, or you can just simply copy the Zoom link and paste it here. And make sure we hit save, make sure it's published, and it's saved, and that's it. That's how you can create appointment confirmation and a reminder workflow. So hopefully, I hope it made some clarity regarding this workflow. If anyone has any questions or concerns, please, you're more than welcome to unmute yourself, or you can drop a question in the chat and I'll be more than happy to answer that for you. Thank you.